Have you ever wondered what would happen if the sun sneezed? Well, let me tell you about that one crazy day. It all started like any other morning, but something felt different. Suddenly, the sky flashed a brilliant, rainbow-colored light. It wasn't a storm, it was more like a giant cosmic achoo. The sun had let out a massive sneeze, sending a wave of sparkly solar dust right toward Earth. For a few hours, everything glowed. Trees shimmered with gold, rivers flowed with silver, and birds left trails of stardust as they flew. People came out of their houses, mesmerized by the beautiful, glittery world. It was a magical moment, a reminder of how wild and wonderful our universe can be. Who knew a solar sneeze could be so beautiful? What do you think would happen? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.